Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today, I will review the Redmi Buds 6 Active. The Redmi Buds 6 Active Edition packaging includes a user manual but does not come with a charging cable. It is recommended to purchase a separate charging cable. I bought a blue one, which is available in three colors: white, black, and blue. Unlike the blue features a transparent case, however, giving it a compact appearance, the earbuds inside follow Xiaomi's design from recent years. Featuring a semi-near design, overall the design is decent, although there is no magnetic closure at the opening. However, the lid opens at a wide angle and includes a positional design, ensuring that the earbuds stay in place and do not fall out. On the right side, there is a Bluetooth reset button that also serves as the pairing button. If you have trouble finding the Bluetooth signal, long press this button will display the device button Bluetooth name on your phone. The charging port is located at the front of the earbuds, with a matte material on the back to prevent scratches. The transparent design of the ear handle allows for clear view of the internal components. Compared to similarly styled the Redmi Buds 5, it is slightly smaller and more pocket-friendly. The weight of a single earbud is 4 grams, and including the charging case, the total weight is 36 grams. The earbuds is designed with a large semi-in-ear style, which results in an average overall wearing experience. Wearing them for an extended period can be uncomfortable, especially smaller ears who may have difficulty fitting them or experiencing them falling out easily. If you have larger ear canals, then you should generally not encounter any issues with wearing this. The official claims highlight the use of a 40.2mm large dynamic driver. In terms of the actual sound performance, it surpasses the previous generation Redmi Buds 4 Active. If you had to choose between these, which will it be? However, it only supports the SBC codec format. The sound signature does align with official descriptions. The bass is notably rich. However, the bass resolution and transient response are average, and prolonged listening may lead to a muted sound. If you are not a fan of heavy bass, these earbuds may not satisfy you. On the other hand, if you are a heavy metal enthusiast, this model may suit your taste well. The vocals sound somewhat recessed, creating a perception of distant pop music, sometimes even causing instrumental sounds to overshadow vocals, making lyrics less clear. This can be particularly challenging for those who enjoy genres like rap, R&B, and pop. The high-frequency resolution is poor, leading to an overall muddled listening experience. Essentially, intricate detail in symphonies and complex musical arrangements become indistinct. To truly understand its performance, let's listen to the cloud audio.
Myself down to the bottom. There is no place to hide and no one can call me. My name is so dirty, call me dirty girl. You made me a sinner, so I'm on my own. Falling apart, no stopping to lose. I'm clumsy and not, you call me a loser. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. I swear you can call me a loser. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. I swear you can call me a loser.
The Redmi Buds 6 Active very high latency when used with non-Xiaomi phones, making gaming virtually impossible. Here are the test results. In normal mode, the latency reaches as high as 384.2 milliseconds. Even when gaming mode is activated, it remains at 292.1 milliseconds. Additionally, the low latency gaming mode is only compatible with select Xiaomi phone models. When properly adapted, latency can be reduced to 90 millisecond feature, a feature that users of other phone brands will miss out on. Despite its Bluetooth 5.4 version, which theoretically should provide good stability for SBC, the Bluetooth connection ranges is approximately 6 to 7 meters. Beyond this distance, intermittent disconnection occur. For instance, at intersections. The disconnections are particularly severe and can happen multiple times. These earbuds do not support simultaneous connection to dual devices. So if you have two devices, you cannot use them concurrently. The call performance is decent, providing clear calls in quiet outdoor environment without any issues. However, in noisy or windy conditions, clarity can be compromised, making it difficult to hear clearly. In terms of battery life, the Redmi Buds 6 Active offer relatively long usage times. The actual test results align closely with the official claim of 6 hours, ranging around 5 hours for daily commute and use. This battery life should be sufficient, requiring charging only once a week. When connected to a Xiaomi or Redmi phone, a pop-up window can be displayed. Here is a minor cons to note. If you have the Redmi Buds 6 Active connected while recording a video, the pop-up may appear on your phone and forcibly pause your recording process. This experience can be disruptive and could benefit from improvements in future OTA firmware updates. The app itself is relatively simple with limited functionality. The special audio features within the app is essentially ineffective. Official claim of having 5 sound effects modes requires matching with specific phones versions for use. Within the app, you can customize the earbuds touch controls according to your preference. It is recommended to set the single touch function to none to prevent inadvertent touches with adjusting the earbuds or momentarily removing them during use. These earbuds do not support wear detection, so the feature of automatically pausing music playback when you remove them will not be available. If you are a non-Xiaomi phone, you can download and use the Xiaomi Earphones app, but some functions may be limited, and pop-up notifications may not be supported. The comprehensive user experience shared above highlights various aspects of using Redmi Buds 6 Active. If prioritize high audio quality or noise cancellation features, then these earbuds may not be suitable for you. However, for everyday use without specific audio demands, they could be worth considering. That's all. Please leave a comment, feel free to like and share, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you next video.